Our target is to understand the Topo workflow from LandKit. So you will download this file, this zip file called Topo. Right click on it and extract all and extract. So this will provide you with Topo workflow. You have Grasshopper and you have a workflow in feet and a workflow in meters. You can also go through the README and the PDF. This PDF is really extensive and tells you all about how this works. But let's see how it works hands-on. So I'll just open the Topo Workflow 2.0 in feet. And here we have a bunch of stuff. And to get our RPC, let's just drag and drop the Topo Workflow 2.0 inside Rhino, the Grasshopper file. It takes a while to load, but after it's done, I should have the Topo workflow as a Grasshopper file in my RCP panel. I think it takes a while the first time, so let's give it a little time. It asks for different components, so I'll just download and install. It's fine, I don't want any of this. And in your case, you already have Grasshopper updated version because you all have Rhino 8 just installed. So right now I don't need any of these, and I don't want to see the error messages. I'll wait a little. And here I have the Topo workflow, which is awesome. So this right here is the Topo workflow, and we'll go step by step of this.